Before I let an AI agent touch a real tool, I run it through 5 rules. Not because agents are useless, because the moment an agent can send a message, edit a file, buy something, deploy code, or click an admin button, it stops being a chatbot and starts being part of your operating system. The beginner mistake is asking, can the agent do it? Can it browse? Can it email? Can it edit the spreadsheet? Wrong first question. The real question is, should it be allowed to do this action right now with this evidence, and what happens if it is wrong? Rule 1. Read only first. If an agent cannot inspect the situation safely, it has no business changing it. Let it read the policy, open the file, check the calendar, search the logs, or summarize the inbox. Action comes later. Observation is the first permission boundary. Rule 2. Draft before send. Any outbound action should have a preview step. Email, Discord, Slack, calendar invites, purchases, uploads, database changes. The agent should produce a draft, show the recipient, show the exact action, and wait when the risk is non-trivial. Rule 3. Receipts or it did not happen. Every tool call needs evidence after the fact. What changed, where it changed, when it changed, and how we know. A confident answer is not a receipt. A logline, a diff, a screenshot, an uploaded file, or a verified status check is a receipt. Rule 4. Browser last. Browser control looks magical, so people reach for it too early. But browsers are fragile. Prefer files, APIs, databases, and first-class tools before asking an agent to click around a web page. Use the browser when it is the right interface, not because it is cinematic. Rule 5. Design the rollback before the action. If the agent edits a file, can we revert the diff? If it schedules something, can we cancel it? If it posts publicly, can we delete or correct it? If the answer is no, that is not automation yet. That is gambling with better typography. Here's a low-risk example. Summarize a folder. Read-only access, no external send, no permanent change. The agent can inspect files, produce a summary, cite paths, and stop. If the summary is bad, nothing outside the workspace was touched. Medium risk, update a project document. Now the agent can write, but the safety shape is still sane. Make a diff, keep the old content recoverable, run a quick check, and show the changed file. This is where receipts start mattering. High risk, send a message, upload a video, refund a customer, deploy a service, or change an account setting. These are transaction boundaries. The agent should draft, classify the risk, ask for approval, perform the action once, and verify the result. The permission ladder is simple. Observe, draft, stage, approve, act, verify. Most agent disasters happen because people jump from observe straight to act. The missing middle is where safety actually lives. In my setup, the rule is not never trust the agent. The rule is trust the process around the agent. Heartbeats can monitor quietly. Memory can record durable facts. Tools can act. But risky outbound changes need gates, receipts, and recovery paths. Before adding a new tool, ask 5 questions. Can it start read-only? Does it have a draft mode? What receipt proves success? Is there a safer API than browser clicking? And how do we undo the action if the agent is wrong? That is the difference between a fun demo and a useful AI system. Do not ask only whether the agent is smart enough to use the tool. Ask whether the tool is shaped well enough for an agent to use safely. That is where real automation begins.